Work in silence every day. Let results make the noise. People will notice later. Stay focused. Comfort feels safe, but it slowly kills ambition. Choose discomfort daily. Win tomorrow. Progress does not shout. It whispers through effort. Show up again and again. That's how winners are built. Excuses protect your comfort. Discipline protects your future. Choose what matters. Act now. You don't need motivation forever. You need strong habits. Habits create discipline. Discipline creates success. Failure is not the end. It's a lesson. Learn quickly. Come back stronger. Your future self is watching. Every decision counts. Work hard today. Make yourself proud. Discipline beats motivation, especially on hard days. Do it anyway. That's growth. You have survived difficult days. You are still standing. That is proof of strength.
Keep moving.
Good things take time. Great things take patience. Rushing ruins progress.
Stay calm.
Success often feels lonely. Not everyone will understand. Stay committed. Your time will come. No one owes you success. It must be earned. Take responsibility. Change your life. Pain can destroy you, or it can develop you. The choice is yours. Grow stronger. Focus on becoming better, not on getting attention. Results attract respect. Stay humble. Your limits are mental. Your potential is massive. Push beyond fear. Discover greatness. Some days feel heavy. Move forward anyway. Strength is built there. Don't stop. Struggling is part of growth. Quitting is not. Keep trying. You are closer than you think. Confidence comes from discipline. Discipline comes from action. Action starts now. Begin. Talent helps, but hard work wins. Stay consistent. Outwork everyone. Stop asking for permission. Believe in yourself. Take action daily. Create your path. Consistency looks boring until it produces results. Trust the process. Stay locked in. Your mindset controls everything. Change your thoughts. Change your actions. Change your life. Every new day is a gift. A chance to improve. Don't waste it. Give your best. Your past may be painful, but it does not control your future. What you do today matters most. Stand up and move forward. Success is not built overnight. It grows through daily discipline. Small actions create big change. Stay consistent. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It never comes. Start with what you have. Improve along the way. Hard times are not punishment. They are preparation. Pain is shaping your strength. Don't quit now. Dreams feel heavy for a reason. They demand effort. Carry them with pride. You are capable. You are not late in life. You are learning. Growth takes time. Trust the process. Fear appears before growth. Step into it bravely. Courage creates confidence. Become unstoppable.